Hi everyone, Josie here. Welcome to 𝐂𝐑𝐄𝐈𝐓𝐒 Flavors. The dish that I will be making today is one of the best vegetable dish that I love. It's called sauté bitter melon with shrimps and quail eggs. This is keto-friendly and gluten-free dish, extremely low in carbs and very nutritious. So please click the subscribe and the like button and let's get started. Okay, before we proceed, this bitter melon, you can get this in the grocery store, in Oriental store. Okay, you cut it in half. Make sure that you scoop the seeds out of this. There's like whitish thing there. You scoop it out really, really well. And then you're going to slice it just like this, okay? Then I hard-boiled the quail eggs a while ago, and I have 3 left that I need to deshell. So that's all we're going to be doing, and we're going to start cooking. Here we go! Sautéed bitter melon with shrimps and quail eggs. Keto-friendly and gluten-free. If you want to lose weight, here's the dish for you. Please click the subscribe and the like button. And see you for more videos. Ta-ta for now!